Hi, Jennifer Polizzi here from Orion Lending. Going over today, VA no score loans. Now, VA no score loans are not difficult. We're talking about when a borrower has truly an NA credit score, no scores. We can do a VA loan for this veteran. As you know, Orion Lending, we're truly committed to doing VA and doing as many VA loans as we can. So when we have a veteran with NA, we can do a loan for them under these circumstances. So VA true no score loan. So let's see what we've got here. So when you're doing a VA loan and your borrower has no scores, the first thing you have to do is account for their 24-month housing history. Now we will take a VOR and it's got to be for the last 24 months. We need to know where they lived for the last 24 months. So a VOR can be institutional written VOR, a non-traditional supplement from an individual landlord, canceled checks, or bank statements. So the non-traditional trade line is really the best way to go. It's the easiest, it's the cleanest. We don't want to get too much information on their bank statements. Please, less is more. So get the non-traditional trade line, and that also counts as one of their alternative trades. If they do not have a credit, a rental history, it's fine. They just need to account for where they've been living. So you can get a VOR, a rent-free letter from family. They can get base, proof that they're living on base for military housing, which is fine. But we do need that 24-month history accounted for their housing. So we will need 3 alternative trades for the borrower. So if they have that rental, that will count as 1. They need to get 2 more. So you can use car insurance, you can use cell phone bill, you can use internet, you can use utilities, you can use any kind of utility, maybe Netflix or anything they're paying out of their checking account on a regular basis for 12 months. The alternative trade only has to be 0 times 30 times 12, and you are going to need 2 of them. Then you are going to have to keep them to a 41 ratio. Now remember, VA only counts for a back ratio. We are going to limit it to 41%. So the borrower does not have a lot of debts. So remember, we're not putting those alternative trades in their DTI, but we do need to account for a 41 back ratio. There are no required reserve requirements for the borrower, so we're not looking for any money left over or any reserves. We're going to follow the VA guidelines on that. They do not require reserves. We are not going to require reserves on this. And you can keep in mind that you still can do 100% financing for the no score veteran borrower. So it's very exciting to be able to do this for a veteran. There are not a lot of things you have to account for. We are going to follow the rest of the VA guidelines on this borrower. So get your certificates of eligibility, talk to your borrowers about their service. We would love to be able to get them into a VA loan. It is an amazing loan for your borrowers, and we would like to get as many veterans into homes that we can. So if you have any questions about VA or this program or anything about Orion Lending's amazing programs, please reach out to me. I would love to help you. Send me your scenarios. I look forward to doing business and helping you make more loans. If you have any questions, reach out. I appreciate your time. Thank you so much and have an amazing day.